Introduction. Understanding the importance and value of time is essential for every individual. Time is a priceless asset that never returns. Once a moment passes, it's lost forever. In this speech, we'll discuss the significance of time, how to utilize it better, and the ways it leads to achieving success. Understanding the value of time. First and foremost, we must understand the value of time. Time is the most precious capital in our lives. When we waste time, we're essentially squandering a part of our life. Those who value their time are often the ones who succeed. Proper time management helps us move forward in life and achieve success. The importance of planning is crucial for a successful life. Those who plan their time efficiently often achieve their goals faster. We should start each day by planning what tasks we need to accomplish. A well-organized and planned life leads to success. Avoiding time wasters. In today's world, there are many distractions that can waste our time, such as social media, television, and unnecessary conversations. We must avoid these distractions and focus our time on activities that benefit our future. Identifying and prioritizing our tasks is crucial to avoid time wastage. Consistent hard work and dedication. The journey to success is never easy, but consistent hard work pays off. No obstacle can stop us from reaching our goals if we keep working diligently. We must spend every moment of our lives with dedication and effort. Remember, there's no substitute for hard work. The best utilization of time. To make the best use of time, we must create a balance in our lives. We need to allocate our time in such a way that we can fulfill our responsibilities and also improve our personal lives. Every aspect of our life, whether work, education, family, or leisure, deserves our time. Principles of success. To achieve success, we need to follow some fundamental principles. 1. Value your time. Respect every moment and utilize it effectively. 2. Plan your time. Plan each day and set goals for yourself. 3. Identify priorities. Recognize your priorities and act accordingly. 4. Hard work and dedication. Work consistently and maintain your dedication. 5. Self-discipline. Discipline yourself to avoid distractions and stay focused. Self-discipline. Self-discipline is essential for making the best use of time. We need to keep track of our time and organize our tasks efficiently. Self-discipline helps us avoid wasting time and guides us towards achieving our goals. Benefits of valuing time. There are numerous benefits to valuing time. 1. Success. Those who value their time often achieve success. 2. Happiness. Proper utilization of time leads to happiness and improves our lives. 3. Betterment. Valuing time enables us to make improvements in our lives. 4. Progress. By valuing time, we can make progress in our lives. Conclusion. Friends, value your time and utilize it effectively. 5. Those who value time are the ones who succeed. Take steps today to improve your time management and lead your life towards success. Remember, valuing time leads to success. Thank you and goodbye.